everyone, and welcome to My Natural Hair Delights, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I'm going to unbox the containers for the hair growth oil and for the Moringa Delight. I actually had to restock on the Moringa Delight, and this is my first time using the hair growth oil containers. So I'm excited about that, and I'm also going to show you the labels that I have ordered from Avery, okay? So if you are looking for professional labels for your hair care products or skincare products, you want to go to Avery, okay? Avery is the place to go. And the containers that I have ordered from was bulk Apothecary. I first ordered them from Amazon, but Amazon is still a good place, but if you want a larger quantity, I would highly recommend using bulk Apothecary. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox today, yay! And I also have my apron here, which I ordered from Amazon, and my father-in-law actually heat pressed the logo on the apron. So yes, I'm excited. Let's go. Yes, so if you are looking to start your hair care or skincare business, just have faith. Let the Lord use you. Let Him lead you and guide you, and He will take you further than you could ever imagine. So I'm still learning. I'm on this journey, and it has been a very great journey for me. And I just learned something new every day. So you have to stick to it. You have to stay consistent. When things are on the up and up, and when things are not so up on the up and up, you have to continue. You have to stay consistent and just stick to it. So yes, so I have my black twist caps for the hair growth oil, and it's a 20 by 410 neck size. So the neck size is very important because you want to make sure that you get the right neck size for your containers, and it will actually show you. Like, I actually looked at the neck size from bulk Apothecary, and they showed me the exact neck size that I needed for the hair growth oil. Bulk Apothecary does not carry black twist caps like these applicator twist caps. Yeah, they don't have these for whatever reason. So have those, and I'm excited. Oh, and they have extra things in here. Awesome. Yay. Okay, so these are just like extra books that they gave me if I wanted to order some more things. And now I'm about to unbox the bulk Apothecary containers. I think these are the hair growth oil containers, because they're light. They're pretty light, and they're not super wide as this box. So we're just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna need some scissors. My scissors here, and I'm just going to unbox. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, looking good. All right. So I ordered 50 hair growth oil containers from bulk Apothecary, and it is the perfect size for a 4-ounce. This is a 4-ounce container that you can use to make hair growth oil or lotions if you decide to make lotions for your customers. Okay, so this is what I bought from bulk Apothecary, and it's the amber color. So this is the color that I like. I like the amber color Cosmo round bottles. That is what it's called, okay? So with these containers, you want to make sure that you sanitize each container before you ship them off to your customers, because you don't want to have a dusty looking product, okay, unsanitized, and you send it off to your customers, and now your customers are disappointed because you have not sanitized your bottles in your containers, okay? So just make sure you sanitize it. I usually sanitize these containers with apple cider vinegar and lemon and water. I spray it with water and apple cider vinegar. You can also mix it with lemon, or you can wash it with dishwash liquid. But it's totally up to you. It's your preference. I know some people sanitize it with alcohol. That's not my preference, but just use your best knowledge and just make sure that your containers are sanitized, okay? Going to open up the low profile amber color containers. Okay, this is low profile amber color, and it's 50 containers. Okay, these are the low profile jars. This is actually my first time ordering from Apothecary, because when I first ordered the low profile jars, they were from Amazon. Okay, but these containers actually looks really nice. It looks similar to the containers from Amazon. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. If you desire to order some containers, Apothecary is the place to go to order your containers, okay? Especially if you want a larger quantity. And we also have the caps, the black caps that goes with the low profile jars, okay? So we have 50 caps and 50 containers. You just want to make sure that when you order your containers that you order the jar and the caps, okay? Make sure that you order the caps, because it does not come with the caps. You have to order them separately, okay? I'm actually going to open up. Okay, so this is what the top looks like, okay, if you desire to order from Apothecary. And you can also order your jar. Okay, so there is a little bit of a difference with the jars, okay? So this is what it looks like. This is the 8-ounce jar from Amazon, and this is the 8-ounce jar from Apothecary. Okay, I like this color because it has a rich color, and it just looks more authentic. And so this is what it looks like. And yes, you're gonna get the same amount of butter in each container. So they're both 8-ounce jars. They're 8-ounce containers. So the next thing that I want to show you all is the bubble mailers, okay? You can get bubble mailers from Office Depot, from Staples. You can also order from Amazon. You can even order from Mardell's. I saw some really pretty, nice looking bubble mailers from Mardell's. And so I actually just ordered these. Like, these come in handy if you are in a rush to ship some orders. So I ordered a couple of these, but I'm actually planning to order nicer bubble mailers, okay? So this is a great start. 8.5 by 11 inch. This is an 8.5 by 11 inch, and you can also slap your sticker on there, place your order inside, okay? And you can also put your shipping label, which when you go into your carrier, whether it be the USPS or UPS, they will place their shipping label on your bubble mailer or your box. Okay, so whatever kind of shipping material that you desire to use, whether it be a box or a bubble mailer, you can always use your logo. You can use your logo on that container, like not container, the box or bubble mailer. For example, like the Apothecary sticker, they slap their sticker on the box to let you know, hey, this is from Apothecary. Okay. Same thing with Avery. As you can see, it's already imprinted on the envelope, and so you know that this is from Avery. And so now I'm just going to show you all what the labels and the stickers look like. So these are the stickers that I ordered from Avery. You can place this on your box, your shipping box, or your bubble mailer, okay, to let your customers know, hey, this is coming from your company, okay. And it also just makes your box or bubble mailer look more professional, instead of it just looking plain, okay. But this is optional, and this is the label for the Moringa Delight. Okay, so I actually designed all of these in Canva. Okay, Canva is the place to design your labels. That's where I design my labels. So I designed it in Canva. Okay, and my husband actually helped me out a little bit because he's actually a graphic designer. He's a very professional graphic designer. Okay, now he didn't design these labels, but he did help out with the logo. And so if you are looking to have your own logo, or if you're looking for a designer to design your website, go to Heroes Design Studios. You can also find him on Facebook, okay? Heroes Design Studios. All right, so that's where I got my logo from. And so we actually worked on the logo together because it was very unique, it was very particular. Like I had to make sure that the face was right, the hair and everything. And so this is the label for the jar, okay, the hair butter. And then this is the label for the hair growth oil, okay, which is also designed in Canva. All right, so as you can see, you want to make sure that you enter in the right size for your hair growth oil. So this is for a 4-ounce hair growth oil. So as you can see, this is a 3.25 by 5-inch label. Okay, so you have the hair growth oil label. Depending on which containers you order from, you want to make sure that your label size for your container jars are accurate. This was originally 1.25 by 9.75 inches. That's if you order from Amazon. Now I may have to make mine smaller, so I'm gonna have to resize. If you're ordering from Apothecary, if you're ordering an 8-ounce, you want to make it a little smaller. So that's what I'm gonna do. It looks a little different from this one, okay? This one has a little bit more space, and so in the future I'm going to order like a smaller label size for this container, because unfortunately it doesn't look quite the same as this one. Okay, I'm actually going to place the top on here so you can all see the difference. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, yeah, so we're definitely going to get a smaller size for the Moringa Delight, but that's okay, because yeah, we're just gonna keep going. So no big deal. There are mistakes that will come up, whether it be on your carrier's end or on your end, but it's okay. You just keep going. It's not perfect. It's not going to be a perfect journey. When you start a business, it's not going to always look pretty, but you have faith and you know that this is what God has told you to do. So you just do it with all of your might and you just be obedient to the Lord, and He will see you through, and He will take you further than what you could ever imagine, and the income will start flowing in, and you just learn. You just learn by experience, by wisdom. You just learn. You learn and you grow. Okay, you grow. So that's what starting a business is all about. It's not about us. It's about serving the people with what God has given us to do, what He has created us and gifted inside of us to give to others. I hope that this has helped you all and encouraged you all. For those of you who are looking to start a business, go for it. You may make some mistakes along the way, but that's okay. You just keep going. You provide great customer service to your customers. Always communicate with your customers. If an order is shipped out to a customer at a later time than expected, just let your customers know, and you just continue along the way. So thank you all for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delights. And I want to thank you all for subscribing. Those of you who have subscribed to the YouTube channel, those of you who have followed me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, I want to thank you all for subscribing and following My Natural Hair Delights. This is to encourage you all to take care of your natural hair with all natural ingredients, okay? So, and each and every week, you're going to learn how to take care of your hair. You're going to be inspired by new hairstyles. So stay tuned, and I will talk to you all again soon. Have a blessed and wonderful day. Bye-bye.